A very good morning to my dear student. So, in our last class, we have gone through the merits of indirect taxes. So, in our today's class, we'll be going through the demerits, means disadvantages of indirect taxes. So, in our last class, we have done the introduction of indirect taxes of developed countries and less developed countries. So developed countries are less dependent on indirect taxes, but less developed countries are more dependent on indirect taxes. So in our last class, we have discussed about 40% of the taxes in developed countries come from indirect taxes, and in less developed countries 70% of the taxes comes from indirect taxes. So how vital the indirect taxes is for the less developed countries. So based on that, now we'll be discussing about the demerits or disadvantages or drawbacks of indirect taxes. First point, it is said as regressive. It is regressive in nature. You can see it is regressive in nature. The taxes, it fall upon each and every people equally. This tax falls upon each and every people equally. Even the poor are paying the same tax, and the richer are paying the same tax. So you can say it is not equitable. It is regressive in nature. The poor, they feel burdened to pay the tax, and the rich, they enjoy while paying the same tax as based on the poor. So the tax system must be so that the product which is consumed by the rich people, that tax should be high enough as compared to the product which is purchased by the poor people. So if this kind of tax system would be there, then it won't be regressive. So next point, you say no civic consciousness. No civic consciousness. There isn't any civic consciousness within the people. Why there isn't any civic consciousness? Because people, they purchase the product. Without knowing that they are paying the taxes. They purchase and they enjoy, and they don't think about, yes, I'm paying the taxes, where the taxes is going, how the government is utilizing the taxes, whether my taxes, the paid money to the government, it is regulated in proper manner or not. But people, after purchasing the product, they forget all this. They don't think about the hard-earned money which they are paying in the form of taxes the government is collecting, whether it is regulated properly or not, whether it is utilized by the government in the proper sense or not. It is not the case. The people, they don't look or go through this kind of thing. They don't go through this kind of datas. So this is the dark side of the people, where they remain absent. They don't know about anything, where the money is going, their money they are paying while purchasing the product. They purchase the product, they are happy, they are satisfied, but one tax is also included in that. A tax which is paid by the consumer. Do they know where the tax is going? Very less, or very few, a countable number of people they know, but others, they remain blank. So this should be done. This is the one drawback. No civic consciousness. Next point, uncertain. Yes, uncertain it is. Anytime you can pay the tax. Whenever you're going to purchase the product, you're paying the tax. It is uncertain. If you see direct tax, it is certain. A particular time period is there. Within that specific time period only, you need to pay the tax. But In indirect tax, each and every moment you are paying the tax. Okay, if you are consuming the product, okay, continuously, full day you are consuming product, then full day you are paying the tax. Every time you are paying the tax. It is uncertain. Today you are paying the tax, tomorrow you are paying the tax. Always, each and every time, each and every periods of time, you are paying the tax. There is no certainty. But in direct tax, there is a certainty. Okay, but here, there isn't any, okay, certainty is there. That is uncertain is there. Okay, next point. Discourages savings. Yes, indirect tax discourages savings. Why? Because the money which is earned by the people, it flows in the form of tax to the government. Okay. If the tax would be less, then the people would, okay, do the saving. Because the tax is high, the people can't do any saving. Can't do any saving. They fall in the trap of taxes. Okay, and the saving which need to be done, it goes in the form of taxes. Though, so they are not so motivated in paying the taxes, in paying, okay, or in doing the saving. They are not so motivated. Now then, they, okay, if they are purchasing any product, they need to pay the tax, and the saving which is there, it goes in the form of tax. So no saving is there. So because of these taxes, the people, the consumer, they can't do, or they do very less saving, or they can't do any saving. Okay, next, last one, inflationary. Inflationary means increase in the price. Increase in the price. Inflation goes on. Okay, the people, they suffer inflationary pressure. When the government increases the tax, the price of the product also increases. And when the price of the product increases, then what is caused? Inflation is caused. And who is pressurized? The consumer are pressurized. The consumer need to pay a huge amount of money, okay, while purchasing the product. You can see recently nowadays inflation is going on. All the product price, you can see, from fruits to vegetables to grocery items, the price are rising and rising and rising. It is called inflationary pressure. Okay, the poor people, we are in the trap of this. Okay, this is what? Inflationary pressure. Okay, so this is what in today's syllabus. So here, regressive in nature, it falls upon each and every people. Okay, no civic consciousness. People, okay, don't bother about the taxes they are paying, where it is going. Okay, uncertain. Indirect taxes is not certain. Okay, each and every moment you have to pay the tax while purchasing the goods. Discourage saving because of, okay, so much taxes on the product, on the communities. The people, they are not motivated to save. Okay, or they don't have any saving. And last, inflationary pressure. Because of rise in the taxes, the price of the commodity also increases, and the consumer, they have to suffer the inflation, means rise in the price. So this much for today's class. Thank you for watching the video.